There is an expression from the days of the Raj, back when England still had its own army, and back when they occupied India. Only mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the midday sun. According to the weatherman, it's 25 Celsius, maybe 24 Celsius. My thermometer said it's 32 Celsius, and that was down there in the shade. So what am I doing? I'm out in the sun, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What am I going to do? I'm going to light a fire in my fire pit, which I've not used for a while, and I'm going to be having myself some extra hot and spicy Korean noodles. Why? Because I can. Because it's like shock treatment to actually get some, burn off some more calories, even though I'm doing that with the fucking heat and the walking. Also, 2 litres of water. You don't need 3 litres of water a day. That's just bollocks. I've got a 2 litre bottle. I've not even opened it yet. I don't drink water whilst I'm on the way somewhere. I drink it when I get there or on the way back. So I've got 1 litre for my noodles and 1 litre for drinking. And to tide me over, some more extra spicy Korean, whatever the hell that is. Really nice. You can only eat a little bit at a time because it's that spicy. And my toolkit for doing all this heavy work is, oh, if I can get it off my thing. It's quite nice in the shade. It's only slightly roasting. If also got bitching about lighting a fire in public, fuck off. I don't care. And it's in a fire pit, surrounded by stones, and I've got water. That is what I'm using for getting a fire, firewood and stuff. Yeah, my little, I don't know, a few centimeters, inch blade, whatever it is. Okay, now I can have a drink. It literally, I just had to get the fuck out. This thing with the boat is driving me batshit, because the people doing the course, the one that's 10 miles down the road, I got 3 different answers from the person, because I want to do the basic and the intermediary, because I've got no official training. I can drive boats, I just want to do the official stuff. And 3 different answers, 2 different prices, and he's very antagonistic in the emails, as if I owe him something, as if I've already booked in and I've got to pay him if I cancel it. I haven't booked anything. All I've done is ask for information. If you're out in the heat, having a drink, don't just down it in one. Have a little mouthful first, swirl it around your mouth, let it sit there for half a minute and then swallow.
That's what she said.
So, you drink too much water too fast, you'll just throw up and waste it. So, my lighter. I love that rechargeable little lighter. It's so easy to deal with. You can tell it's good shade when the bloody hasn't rained for a week and it's still damp. So that shade's doing a pretty good job. With the heat, I don't actually need a fire. I could just put the noodles in with water, cover it, leave it in the sun, give it an hour, and that would be warm, soaked up. To get this going, I do need a flame, not just a spark. So, I don't know, give it a go actually. Twigs to go on there, probably need to go on there. Just to be clear, I waited for an hour after the fire went out, just crashed out talking to myself. So I did wait until there was no more smoke for at least an hour, and it's still wet. So yeah, fire is definitely out. And a nice bit of charcoal for next time.